everyone, today's video is just a walk. We are going to check out this amazing snowstorm that we're getting here in Canada and parts of the United States. So let's go see what is happening out here. I hope you guys can hear me with this wind. I've got a wind muff on my microphone, but it's pretty strong. So we're gonna go down by the water. We are just off of Lake Ontario. And we're gonna see what it looks like over the lake. The snow just started about half an hour ago, I would say. There's already about 3 inches. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm making my own tracks here. I actually tried to go live and I didn't realize you have to set that up ahead of time, so I could not. It gives you 24 hours before it's ready. So we're down in a little community in Newcastle, Ontario. It is right off of the shores of Lake Ontario. And we're gonna go check out if we can see anything over the lake during this massive snowstorm they've been talking about all day. Whew. So it's pretty cold out here, but it's pretty awesome also. First major snowstorm of the year, which is really exciting. It'll be fun for the kids tomorrow to go out tobogganing anyways, if it sticks around. Now it is Friday, so I'm sure all of the kids are wishing this had happened a little bit sooner, so they could have gotten out of school. The only reason you would ever really be down here if you were ever visiting is if you have family here, number one. But number two, just past me on the left over here, you can't see it, there's a marina. So a lot of boats come in off Lake Ontario. They get their gas, they get snacks, you can dock there, and apparently in the next few years they're building it up. So let's go check out the lake here. It's a lovely little community anyways. Woo. We got a little bit of a break from the wind. There's a building here on our left. So these ones were just constructed on our left. There's a water treatment facility down here. Okay, we're gonna go right. It's a little dog. Oh my, it's wild and spectacular. So the marina is down there. I will take you guys down there at some other time to see all of the boats and check out that marina. But for now, we're just gonna go to the lake. So we're on the road. Normally not a very safe option, but there's nobody out here right now. And the sidewalk, which is over there, is covered. So this community is full of single-family residential. There's also condos. And there's condo towns just over here on my left. Or sorry, that's my right. That is my right. And then there's a beautiful spot up here where they've got some binoculars set up. You know, those big stand-up binoculars where you can look out. You can actually see the CN Tower sometimes if you're lucky. so about an hour outside of the city. Whoa! Walking by this tree, you can see all the snow just kind of hanging off these branches, the ice. It's really cool. People are out shoveling their driveways. And you can see that's the end of the road. It comes straight down. And then you get to these condos here. Oh, you can't really see them. I got snow in my lens. And here we come to a big field. You can see there's a lookout point over here. And that's where we're gonna go to check out this across the water, which you're probably not gonna be able to see, but let's go in that direction. Not tell where my sidewalk is. What a beautiful night for a walk. Okay, we're getting a closer look at the lookout. There's some benches here, and then you can see they've got their binoculars set up. They're the tall metal kind. And I don't know if you can hear it, but the waves. You can hear the waves. I can see them out here. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I'll get as close as I can. Okay, I feel like the wind died down a little bit. You can see down there, so there's a beach that runs all the way along here. It goes all the way down to the marina. Woo, that way. I would not spend too much time swimming in this water. There are a whole bunch of nuclear power plants that line Lake Ontario. That's pretty awesome, eh, guys? It's crazy. I'm gonna have to go in though before my camera gets too wet. Woo! So we do have a waterfront path that goes all the way down and around, and then it takes you into what's called Wilmot Creek, and that is seniors or above 55. I'm not sure if they've changed that or not, but living area where everybody has their own house and they get a community center. Those binoculars I was talking about and the seating. Okay, we're gonna have to head back. That wind is something wicked. Oh, it's all snowy. My goodness. There's still some people with their Christmas lights up, which is pretty cool. Christmas lights always look pretty in the snow. All right, let's head back, guys. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. I think I'm a little bit crazy to be out here, and I was followed out. So yeah, it's something else. Okay, we're gonna go back inside. Hopefully you guys are able to hear this. I'm sure I've said that a whole bunch. But my camera's all wet. I'm sorry I couldn't live stream it for you, but second best. So I hope you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we will see you guys all real soon. Oh my goodness, it's pelting me right in the face. Stay safe and warm, everybody. Look at the snow on the back of your jacket. That was a lot of fun. Ah! Let's see how deep that is. Oh, that's pretty deep. It's nice packing snow. Nice to make a snowman. This will be good tomorrow. Just put our wipers up. I don't think we need to go anywhere, but just in case. Here we go. Butte.